Here in this video, we're going to be going over the user accounts and permissions in the system. As you can see, we need to log in here to make any changes. If you have multiple accounts, you can select a different account here. You can make as many accounts as you need. I think the limit is well over 100 on accounts. Okay, once you put in the password here, you can log in. If you remember the password, it will keep you logged in until you log out. If you unselect that, you'll have to log in at specific intervals. If you've forgotten your password for any reason, you can hit the forgot password link down here. In order to reset the password, you just need to use the app on your phone. When you have the Cyber Secure app open, you can hit the 3 lines in the upper left-hand corner, select local configuration from the list, and then there's an option at the bottom that says forget device password. All you do is you select that option, scan the QR code here with your phone, and it will send an email to the email that's on file when you set the password on your system. It will send that security code to that email address and let you type that code here to unlock it. And then once you're logged in, we can make changes to the users. If we go to System and then User, we can see that we have a reserved user as well as an administrator and then a whole bunch of operators on here. So the system administrator can't be deleted. It's the main account on the system. You need that to make accounts and log in as an admin for specific functions. So the administrator has full permissions. That is the administrator of the system. The reserved user has no permissions. It's there simply as a placeholder in case a second administrator position is needed. The other users that we created are just simply operators, and you can change their level of permission here. So once I put in my administrator password, we can see each operator and what permissions it has. So this is operator 1. We can set a password, or we can do an unlock pattern where you can draw just like the old Android phones. And then these are the basic permissions it has: configuring the system, firmware updates, viewing and exporting logs, and restarting it. And then smart preview means that it can view smart events in real time as they happen. And then we've got individual camera permissions. So if you wanted to give somebody a permission that specified they can only have access to view one camera, you would select live view from the list and then only select that one camera. Same thing with playback. This user would only be able to view playback or the live feed from this first camera here. They wouldn't be able to view any of the other cameras. PTZ control, you can restrict. Manual recording, you can restrict. Local backup, you can restrict. You can basically restrict everything except for one camera or give people full access. It depends on, really who it is that you're making this account for. The system administrator can come in here and delete the accounts once they're made. He can also modify the passwords. So if you set this account up with one password and maybe that person leaves, the system administrator can come in here and delete that account, or they can simply change the password and repurpose that account to another user.